Tiffany Nordell.
All right, let's switch things up a little bit. Let's go to middle of nowhere, Michigan, St. Joseph County, and we'll see Judge Middleton. He is doing a formal traffic hearing, which he doesn't do many formal hearings in his court. So let's see what's going on there.
Chicago Road in Ottawa for disobeying a traffic signal. The ticket says he went through a solid red light. There was an informal hearing with the magistrate earlier, and the defendant appealed that and asked for a formal hearing. That's in front of the judge. He posted a bond, and the matter is set for trial this morning. Mr. Timothy Reed, the Sturgis City Attorney, is present. As well as Officer Dylan Ware of the Sturgis Police Department, who issued the citation. The fine, I believe, was $120. The defendant did post bond in that amount. The plaintiff filed a jurat earlier this week, formally charging this as disobeying a traffic signal. Good morning, Mr. Reed.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What's the people's position here?
I guess if the defendant still wishes for the hearing, we're prepared to move forward with the hearing.
Is that what you wish, Mr. Summey?
I would just would like to see if there's any options as far as me getting a fine and not having to get the points on my license and stuff like that, because I wasn't expecting for me to be broadly punished for this citation, because if I had not stopped at the red light and I had just gone through it and almost hit somebody, I'm getting the same charge and the same amount of points, and there's no degree to it like speeding or anything like that. So
well, the traffic code, the Michigan Motor Vehicle Code, has a schedule of crimes and civil infractions, and there are points assigned to each offense and fines by fee schedule. This is a civil infraction. It's not a crime. You don't get convicted of guilty of a civil infraction. You're found responsible or not responsible. You can't go to jail for a civil infraction. And the burden of proof is lower. In a criminal case, you have to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. In a civil infraction case, you only have to prove guilt beyond a preponderance, which is 51% to 49%. So it's a lower burden of proof. It's not a crime. You can't go to jail. You've already paid the fine. The officer's here on overtime. He came in once before to testify. He's here again. Mr. Reed, any response to that?
I mean, we're here for the hearing. The charge is the charge.
Yes, so the city's not willing at this point to alter it. With that in mind, you just want to pay the $120 fine and you wish to have a hearing on this.
if I pay the fine, am I gonna get the points and stuff
Yeah,
like
you're
that?
gonna get 2 points.
Well, then, yes, I'd like to continue this.
All right.
I mean, if people can sit in jail and fight their case and have it get dumbed down, all because that the courts don't want to go to trial and they'll just give them a better deal. I don't understand how I can't get at least a warning on this, and I'll never do it again. I've definitely have learned my lesson there, but I don't feel like I should get the points if I came all the way up to the stoplight and I stopped.
Well, we haven't gotten to the facts yet. So I don't know, but right now you have 0 points on your driving record. So this isn't gonna cost you your driver's license. You've had some points in the past, but they've all gone away. So you have 0 points. In fact, even with this on there, it shows 0 points. This carries no points.
It carries points. It's just when they appeal, it doesn't
Oh, they
add
hold the
track.
points, all right, okay. I thought it carried 2 points.
It does.
All right, so you're not gonna lose your driver's license. You're gonna get 2 points on your driving record. You've already paid the $120 fine. So I'll use your bond to pay your fine. The case will be done. But if you wish to have a hearing, the city's ready to go forward.
Yes, I would like a hearing if the
All right, well
charges
then
are
let's
gonna
just go
get
through it.
changed.
Okay. My first witness is Cole Summey.
All right, well, let's have Mr. Ware and Mr. Summey both raise their right hand. Mr. Summey, you swear or affirm any testimony you're about to give in this matter will be true to the best of your knowledge and belief.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, in a civil infraction, because it's not a crime, you don't have the right not to testify. So the city is calling you as a witness. So would you come up and have a seat in the witness box? Your name is Cole Aaron Summey.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, very good. Mr. Reed?
Thank you. Does court need the spelling of his name or is it?
No, we got it. Summey. And
Mr. Summey, you were operating a motor vehicle within the city of Sturgis on April 27th, 2025, correct?
Mhm.
Is that a yes or no?
Yes,
And you were on Nottawa Road at or near Chicago, meaning US 12, the main intersection there at Nottawa Road at around 11:35, 11:36 in the morning. Is that correct?
yes.
And at that time, you came to the red light that was facing your direction,
You said 11:30 in the morning?
11:30 at night.
Oh.
Is that
Oh.
correct?
Yes,
And you were traveling southbound on Nottawa, is that correct?
yes,
And you came to the intersection of Chicago and Nottawa Road to a red light, is that correct?
yes.
And you proceeded through that red light before it turned green, is that correct?
Yes, only because I didn't feel any resentment towards the fact that it's 2025. And I wouldn't expect tax dollars to go towards something that could easily tell me that there's no traffic. So I told myself, I made a citizen's good to go on that one.
You made citizens good to go that you're going to disregard the red light because you didn't feel there was any
I didn't
risk.
disregard it. I regarded it and then,
Didn't stop for it,
I stopped.
but didn't wait till it turned green.
Correct.
So you understand that the traffic law requires you not to proceed until the light is green?
Yes, but I feel like that would just be going against what I know is right.
No other questions, people rest.
all right, Mr. Summey, is there anything else you'd like to tell me?
I mean, I just hurt my feelings to think that just because the light didn't turn green, I'm getting charged with disobeying a traffic signal. I didn't disobey it, but I didn't wait for it to tell me I'm good to go.
Okay, I'm not aware of a citizen's good to go. This is the busiest the second busiest intersection in Sturgis.
Every night that I get out of work and I go there, I'm sitting there unnecessarily. But like I said,
Now, they did change the law. You can turn left on a red light, right on a red light these days, but you can't just blow through it. I don't make the law, and you've essentially acknowledged that you committed it. There is no citizens good to go. You felt like nobody else was coming and you could just go through it.
well, I knew no one else was coming.
All right, well, that ain't what the law says. All right,
Don't you feel like that's a little unconstitutional? It's like something that is just a machine, like clockwork, this thing. And you as a citizen have to sit there. I really doubt our forefathers would be sitting there.
well,
Seriously,
maybe
they
so.
probably-
I don't think it's unconstitutional, and I don't think the Constitution envisions a red light. So you wasted my time, cost a bunch of overtime for the Sturgis Police Department, so maybe that's some satisfaction.
It is a waste of time, really, but how is it on me?
Well, I find that you're responsible for the violation by your own admission. I'll use your $120 bond to pay the fine 2 points will go on your record that won't cost your license. My suggestion is stop next time or you get another ticket
I
for the
did
same.
stop, Your Honor.
All right, very good. Mr. Summey, you're good to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please do put a thumbs up on it and consider leaving a comment letting us know your thoughts. Also, please do consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and we love it if you join us live weekdays 10 a.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. Pacific.